Monday. I just sectioned my hair because I'm about to give myself a much needed trim. It's been about 3 months since I last trimmed my hair. It's been feeling extra dry since I last colored it 2 months ago, so I've been looking forward to this. This is gonna be my third time giving myself this haircut, I think, unless it's the fourth. I'm pretty sure it's the third though. And this is my favorite DIY haircut. I have a separate YouTube video breaking it down, showing you how I do it. This is a DIY haircut for layers and specifically curly hair. The last time I gave myself this haircut, I didn't take off any length at the back because I needed my husband's help for that. And also I'm kind of trying to continue to grow it out. So I feel like every time I give myself this trim, I'm only gonna take length off every other time. So I'm gonna take maybe like an inch off this time. The last time I took some length off, I took a little bit too much off. So I'm gonna be careful to only do a little bit this time. So I'm just gonna get right into it, and I'm not gonna be specific about how I do this. So if you wanna check out the video where I go in depth, I'll have it linked in the description. I thought this sweatshirt was perfect for this DIY haircut. I should be a pro by now, right? It's about 3 fingers worth right there. That seemed a little intense, but I only cut this much, so not a lot at all. Even though this is my third time doing this, I always watch his tutorials like 20 times just to make sure I'm doing it right. These back pieces are a lot more difficult just because they're a lot thicker, and the angle just to get it around my head. Oof. Okay, that was a healthy 3 fingers. There you are. All right, now I just need my husband to help me with the length. And then I'm gonna give myself a scalp treatment and do a little hair mask before I wash it.
She wears it curly, so I'm gonna cut it.
Okay, that's good. And then you're gonna cut it in a straight line, right?
I'm gonna try.
Looks great, yay! Because it was too long, the bottom was looking like a rat tail. All right, so my husband thinks he cut a slanted line, but luckily my hair is curly and you won't be able to tell, but I'm also gonna see if I can fix it. But I feel like it already looks and feels so much better. Like, look how thick that is. The ends were just getting too thin. I'm watching a video on how to fix it myself right now.
So much money and avoid getting all your hair chopped off at the salon. First, I'm doing a middle part, and then I'm sliding down my fingers on one side of my hair to get my hair as straight as possible to make an even horizontal line.
I'm using the Briogeo Scalp Revival. This is the rosemary pre-wash oil. They sent me this. It's really nice. I mean, I normally mix my own rosemary oil, but this is super easy to apply. After I run out of this, I'm gonna continue to use this bottle though with my own concoction. I feel just as good as I used to leaving the salon, if not better, giving myself a DIY haircut. It's just the best feeling after. I just feel so fresh and brand new. I thought I was only gonna take off a little bit of length, but there was such a big disconnect between my layers and how long my hair was that I just needed to take that much off. And look how much fuller the ends look. It just looks a lot healthier. Yeah, my hair was like down here, but it was like super thin and it just went like, so we had to cut that off. I ordered this mirror off TikTok Shop and I'm about to put it up right now. I want to replace this mirror with it. I hope it looks better. Now that I'm about to replace it, I feel like I'm gonna miss this mirror. I mean, it kind of goes with the aesthetic we have in the room, but I've been wanting a more modern mirror right here. I got the larger size, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna look good, but I don't think it's gonna be as big as this mirror. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. Maybe I'll sell it. I don't even remember where I got this one. It's about 30 minutes later and I did this all by myself on the first try. I did have a little bit of trouble, but I finally got it and I think it looks great. It is smaller than this mirror right here. My husband said he likes this one more because it went with the A and C, the colors, but this one's more modern. I think I just need to move this chair back into that corner and it'll look fine, but yay! I love it. My hair is still marinating right now. Oof. I still have hair on me. Happy Tuesday. I washed my hair today and it's almost completely dry. I love how it came out. I have so much more body now. I don't think I showed you this yet, but if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you would have seen it, but I got this laptop case off of Etsy. I am in love. It's a Teddy laptop cover. It matches my rocking chair that I have over there. It's the same material and I've just needed a new laptop cover for the longest time. So this just looks so much nicer. I just got accepted to a Lemmy collab, which is Kourtney Kardashian's brand. So I'm really excited about that because I haven't tried any of her stuff. She just started selling her gummies in Target and I've been tempted to pick some up, but I'm glad I didn't because she's sending me some. I was able to pick 3, so I picked one for sleeping and then one for focus. But I just got 2 of the focusing ones because I'm constantly working, I feel like, or creating content, so I feel like that'll help. The next big thing I need to do is unbox this pink vacuum. I got this off TikTok Shop. It's so freaking pretty. I love it. Obviously I haven't tried it out yet, but it has good reviews. So the sun's already down, so I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow, but let me just give you a sneak peek. The vacuum we have is so old. I had to like almost take the whole thing apart to like try to fix it, but yeah, we need a new one. And this one is cordless, so it just matches my aesthetic perfect. And look at that. It's so pretty, isn't it? I'm like, I just hope it's not super cheap and doesn't like break on me, but I'm gonna clean with this tomorrow. Happy Wednesday. I'm about to make a video with my pink vacuum. Finally, I feel like I've been putting it off for the longest time. I just got done filming some One Size Beauty content and I'm just slowly knocking things off my list. I need to get some content and some cute Valentine's Day themed outfits because I feel like I've been slacking on that lately. As soon as I woke up today, I made a Victoria's Secret purchase because I have been in need, dire need for some new comfortable underwear. Okay, TMI, but yes, it's been too long. So I added a few things to my cart a couple of days ago and then I saw that they posted they were doing an 8 for $38 today. So I snatched those up before they sold out in my size. Look how cute these are. I feel like I could wear these as PJs to bed with like a loose fitted top. I love that pattern. They have them in a thong too. How freaking cute is that? I'm obsessed with these. I hope they look as cute in person and they're as comfy as I'm assuming they're gonna be. I was using it and then it died, so I just finished charging it, but I love that this is wireless. It works really good and I'm excited to use this on my car because it's really dirty at the moment. It just has a piece that connects to it and then I just take this off and yeah, it should work pretty good. I just popped over to TJMaxx to get that content. I love my outfit. I'm surprised I haven't worn this yet. I have my pleated skirt with this top that I got either here or from Marshall's. I think it's Jessica Simpson's brand, but this is so cute. I haven't worn this enough this month. So I'm gonna get some content real quick and then my husband and I are gonna go to the gym. I have my bow in my hair. I wasn't sure how to do my hair, but I just plopped it on top of my head, so it is what it is. But I feel like I need to crank out some Valentine's Day looks too. I just haven't been making hairstyle content or enough outfit content because I've been so consumed in doing my unboxings. So I'm trying to find a healthy balance. Look how cute these socks are. I'm debating on getting them or not. They're only $6.99, but I think I'm gonna get them. I'm like, whatever, you're never too old for smiley faces and hearts, right? I feel like they're super cute. I love the frill detail. I've been needing some new socks for around the house too, so I think I'm gonna get these. Which are these? $9.99. I just got some content smelling these candles because they don't have that much Valentine's Day decor left, but these Rachel Zoe candles smell so freaking good. I want to get one, but I already have 2 candles, so I don't need one right now. Let me smell this one. Yeah, I don't think I've bought one of her candles before, but I love her brand. Look at this bottom vase. This is hilarious. It's similar to the one that I have in my bathroom, but this one just looks weird. I would not buy this. $7.99 though. just got home and my standing desk that I got off TikTok just came in the mail. I'm so excited about this because I've needed one of these for the longest time and I just didn't realize it because I try to edit my YouTube videos on Fridays. Sometimes it doesn't happen like that, but when I'm sitting down and editing a whole vlog, it takes me about like 6 hours, just depending on how long it is. And that's a long time just to be sitting and be stagnant. So last week I came up with a brilliant idea to get one since I just got a treadmill like a couple weeks ago. So it's perfect. I mainly got the treadmill for my husband, but he doesn't use it that often. But I'm definitely gonna start using it every time I edit my YouTube videos. I'm so happy. I'm like, yeah, I can burn calories while I edit now, get some exercise. Happy Thursday. I'm about to film a Valentine's Day hairstyle finally, hence why my hair looks crazy right now. I haven't done anything to it yet, but I was looking up some Valentine's Day hairstyles for inspo and I found this super cute one. They're like heart space buns. So I'm gonna attempt to recreate it. It looks pretty easy, but those are the ones that usually end up the hardest, so fingers crossed. I hope it doesn't take me too long. I found this girl, I just started following her on TikTok. Her name is Alyssa, but let me show you. She has a lot of really cute hairstyles and I want to go get some extra thin ribbon. I've seen the thin ribbon before, but I just never thought to get any until I saw her videos where she's using it and I'm like, oh my gosh. It looks so cute. Let me show you, hold on. She's using the extra thin ribbon here and it looks so good for the front pieces because regular size would just be too big. So I need to go back to Walmart and get some. And then these are the heart space buns. So this is what I'm gonna attempt right now. Adorable, right? All right. It looks so cute on her short hair. All right, wish me luck. I got the first heart and I was right. This is really hard because my hair is curly. I wet it to try to manipulate the heart better, but it's kind of giving Auntie Annie's pretzels at the moment. I asked my husband what it looks like. He's like, yeah, it looks like a heart. I'm like, does it look like a pretzel though? He's like, yeah. So I don't know if it's because it's still wet, but hers just looks so much cuter. I don't know what's going on. Like I've been working on this heart for like 20 minutes. I'm about to just do the other side and call it a day, but I don't know what I could do. 20 minutes later, now I have 2 pretzels on my head. My hair's pretty wet right now because I revived my curls, but I'm gonna hold out to wait and see how it looks dry. I'm like, why do they look like pretzels? If they were like more like this, maybe. I think it's because my hair's so dark, you can't really see the point of the heart. I think that's what it is. I think it looks better now that my hair is almost completely dry. I think I was just in my head because I'm a perfectionist, but it still does kind of look like a pretzel to me. I'm about to take this out so I can start filming my desk content. Oh, I gotta show you it. We set it up last night and it looks so freaking good. I'm so happy now. I can finally walk while I edit and just have like better posture all around because I'm normally just hunched over editing. This is my new setup. I just finished filming the content for it, but how freaking amazing is this? This is a major upgrade from how I was editing my content before. I love it. I have so much space and yeah, I mean, it's a stand-up desk. This is as high as it goes, but it's the perfect height for my walking pad and today was my first time using it, so I love it. Happy Friday. I spent most of the day editing my vlog and then I took a break to recreate this hairstyle. I am obsessed with it. I love this one more than the other one that I did, the pretzel one. This is so stinking cute and it's like about to be 6 o'clock. I did this later in the day. I wish I did it earlier when the sun was out so I could have gotten some cute pics, but I'm definitely gonna recreate this because it's so adorable. I went and got the thin ribbon earlier today and yeah, I love it so much. I need to stop saying obsessed, but I just can't help it. Like I have just been obsessed with everything lately and I'm not mad about it. Like that's a good thing. But I'm gonna end this vlog here and start a new one. So thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and I'll see you next week.